Hi friends, just received this new video projector. It's a 15,000 lumens projector and it can connect to your devices via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, okay? It has the general instructions manual, how to set it up, okay? Let's see what we get in the box. Okay, here you have the remote control, the energy cable, and an HDMI cable, of course. You can also connect it with a regular HDMI cable. Okay, well, really nice packaging materials, okay? Really protected. And this is the actual projector unit. Okay. As you can see, it's really nicely designed. It's pretty. It's kind of a pearl color, pearl white color. You can fine-tune the video here. This is the cover to protect the actual projector, okay? And you have some speakers, as you can see here, okay? So, well, let's try it. You can basically project anything you want in a wide, clear or white surface as a wall, side of your home, inside your office, in any clear surface, clear wall, okay? So, you can use it anywhere and have a lot of fun. Let's try it. Let me show you how you can use this multimedia projector. First of all, you can see that we mounted in a tripod. So that's great. You could use it anywhere you want. You can see the image in the wall. It's really clear. It's a 1080 full high definition projector. And all of this can be done with the remote control, okay? You can select the input, select the application, search for whatever you want with the remote. Even turn the volume up or down, okay? This is great. So you can control everything from your desk. You can configure a lot of settings, your Wi-Fi network, the Bluetooth settings. You can connect also a phone with a Bluetooth settings, but only to hear music, okay? Only music. And you can change the language, the date and time, and other settings, everything from your remote, okay? So, perfect. And as a smart TV, you have some applications in the projector. You could register your Disney Plus account or Prime Video, whatever you want to see. I'm going to test it with YouTube. As you can see, the projector has speakers, but you could connect it to an external speaker. In fact, you can connect the projector directly to the internet through Ethernet network, external speaker, and HDMI or USB cable. I'm gonna show you, okay? Well, this is YouTube. You also can connect any computer or any video device with an HDMI cable. Okay? Choose it from the input option, the HDMI input option. As you can see, you could be presenting in a meeting whatever you want to show from your computer. So this makes it a perfect accessory for your office, your meeting room, or any application you want. To project a picture with your friends or your family, to project pictures from your trip, or to work with any application that you want to project from your computer. So the multimedia projector is a really nice equipment, really small as you can see, but powerful, and you can use it in a variety of ways that makes it really useful. So if you need something like this, a projector for your home, for your office, this is a great option that I really recommend. Thank you.